We have won a contract in partnership with Spark to deliver the Enterprise Hub on behalf of Welsh Government. Briefly, Enterprise Hubs will provide a package of support for entrepreneurs across North West Wales. And we need to create a package of support to inspire and inform people who have recently set up in business or want to set up a business. And we need 2 people to help us deliver this contract over 3 years. First of all, we are looking for a coordinator for the hub. This person will run the hub from day to day. This person should be organised, they should be confident, and they should be energetic. Ideally, this person will also have a background in business support or business themselves. And the salary for the job is... We're also looking for a support officer to help the coordinator and organise the paperwork. This person needs to be very organised with an eye for detail. The salary for this position is... And also, and this is important, Menter Môn is part of the local government pension scheme, so the pension we can offer is second to none. And the Enterprise Hub will be based here at Spark on Ynys Môn. Is there a better location to work from in Wales? For more information about the jobs, go to our website.